So good afternoon again, everyone. I'm back. So to close this the session, the Moodle Mood Philippines 2022 Day 3. So again, I am Herschel, and thank you so much for joining and staying with us until this moment. I hope you've also learned a lot from the invaluable insights shared by our excellent speakers. So if you need any help with your Moodle LMS platform, or you are planning to implement one in your organization, we are offering the following services for you. So hosting, we will be the one to host and manage your Moodle LMS and ensure that it is fit to accommodate your concurrent users. Installation, you can ask us to install the latest version of Moodle LMS on your server, whether it is cloud or on-premise. Training, we will train your teachers or HR employees on how to create courses and activities in Moodle LMS. We will also train your site admins for efficient management of your Moodle site. Support, so this covers answering your administrative and technical queries about Moodle. Customization, for applying your branding and the theme to your Moodle LMS. Consulting, if you need advice on your e-learning implementation and the best action to take, Nephila Web is here to assist and guide you. Branded Moodle app. With the BMA, you'll have your own Moodle app in the Play Store and App Store. It will have your logo and branding. Your users will also enjoy the different benefits such as unlimited push notifications, unlimited download of courses for offline access, unlimited customizable features, and many more. Content migration. We can migrate your resources or materials into a course in the Moodle LMS for you. Diagnostics. For those who need assistance with their in-house maintained Moodle LMS, we can do a diagnostic service for you and provide recommendations. And lastly, Moodle Workplace, which was presented during day 1. It has a multi-tenancy feature, organization structure, report builder, dynamic rules, programs, certifications, appointments, and certificates. For inquiries and free consultation, please contact us at sales@nephilaweb.com.ph. 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 Thank you.
Thank you very much, Herschel, for that engaging presentation of yours. And I hope they really memorized sales@nephilaweb.com.ph. All right. Yes, please contact us. So may I share again my screen? So I just want to add something about what Herschel mentioned. And I think it would be nice if participant would know what other clients or what our client tells about us. So just July 7, 2022, we released our CSAT or the customer survey satisfaction. The customer satisfaction survey. So just released in July 7, 2022, wherein we have distributed some surveys. So with the questions like on our services, on our hosting services and our support services. So part 1 for web hosting services, how satisfied our client at Nephila Web's Moodle hosting services. So there are 19 responses and 16 of them out of 19 or equivalent to 84.2% said that they rate 5, no? So where 5 is excellent, and then 3 of them is 15.8 or 15.8% in equivalent. And then how are you likely to recommend the Nephila Web's Moodle hosting services to other individual or organizations? So out of 19, 17 or 89.5% have answered 5, and 4, 1 answered 5 or 5.3%, 4, and 3, so 1 yung nag-answer, 5.3%. Does Nephila Web's Moodle hosting services helps your organization achieve their goals? So 94.7% said yes, and maybe Well, the rest of the 94.7% minus 100. So why or why not would you recommend this service? So some said, one participant said, I will definitely recommend it. Nephila Web gives excellent service to their clients. Well, environment friendly and easy to use and access. Maybe he or she's talking about the access on the LMS and his or her feel on the LMS. So it makes the learning management system experience more convenient. Support is fast. Actually, once we received an email, we as much as possible we reply on emails. No, so I would indeed recommend this service by Nephila. Your timely response to queries was really superb. Job well done. So you can read some of this because this is posted on our website, nephilaweb.com.ph. It's on the news. So then we have part 2 of our survey, which is all about our support. Question number 1, how satisfied were you with Nephila Web support services? So out of 19, 17 or 89.5% responded here on number 5. And then 2 on number 4, or equivalent to 10.5%. So how are you likely to recommend Nephila Web support services to other individuals? So 89.5%, or 17 of them answered 5, and 2 answered 4. No? So 2 or equivalent to 10.5%. Why or why not you would recommend this service? Superb and very timely response to queries. I will recommend the Nephila support because they're giving their best to execute an excellent service. Ease of communication via email and chat. Yes, especially this pandemic. We are very active, of course, on replying on emails, on chat, on phones. And so then how satisfied are you with our team resolving your issues? So 16 out of 19, or 84.2% have answered number yung 5, and 3 or equivalent to 15.8% have answered 4. So did you feel that our team answered your inquiry promptly? 94.7% said yes. Do you agree or disagree that your issue was effectively resolved? 94.7% agreed. And here are some of the testimonies of our clients. From Justin Podador, software analyst from KCC New Brighton School of the Philippines. It is an easy to use web application and easy to access wherever you are as long as you have an internet connection. So maybe he is talking about the Moodle LMS. Migrating to Nephila's web hosting services facilitates the transition from face-to-face to online training in a more convenient and practical way. From Ma'am Lori Jean Canillo, IT EdTech Manager from DOST Pag-asa. So we're not just providing them the e-learning platform or the LMS platform of Moodle, but we also help in the implementation of Moodle, such as on the training, providing support for the users. And then Nephila was quick to respond to our needs during the pandemic. Training was scheduled and issues were quickly resolved. They are the best. Thank you from Ma'am Teresita Panganiban, CEO, Friendly Care Foundation. Nephila Web is a good partner, especially on catering the LMS requirements of the university, and has efficient after-sales report. From Dennis Gabon, he is a dean from Central Bicol State University of Agriculture. And also, Nephila Web Technology Incorporated helps their clients to build a customized and efficient Moodle infrastructure that is suitable to their needs. With the expertise and professional personnel of Nephila, rest assured that your LMS will function very well. From Sir Jerwin, hello. Sir Jerwin Rodriguez from TESDA ESD Specialist 2 from TESDA. And another one, Nephila has been a valued partner of the World Trade Center Metro Manila for the past 2 years and has continued to keep a steadfast relationship, fostering learnings and programs that will enhance companies and individuals' capacity to excel in their craft. It is supported by a dependable team that is always ready to answer queries and address concerns. From Ma'am Lila Kailes, Vice President Marketing, World Trade Center. And another one, Nephila Web's expertise allowed eTESDA to do what we need to do without worrying about technology issues. They complement with our Tibet expertise with their superb technical support for the TESDA online program to provide 24/7 technical vocational education and training for Filipinos. From Ma'am Redeline Agub, the Division Chief TESDA online program. And sige, 2 na lang. Pagbigyan nyo na po kami. Nephila's team always responds to all inquiries promptly and with utmost professionalism. Problems are resolved quickly and very satisfactorily. From Ma'am Aline Mendoza, SSTV or LMS coordinator from Philippine Science High School main campus. And last but not the least, Nephila Web paved the way for us to quickly and effectively set up our campus LMS. Their cloud hosting service was top-notch, as well as their bundled training for administrators and end users. From Jose Kim Alvaro, Administrative Assistant 5, University of the Philippines, Baguio. Thank you very much for giving me time to read our CSAT result.